name is Eran Har Even, and I'm an Israeli jazz guitarist living in the Netherlands for the past 12 years. Between the 7th and 9th of March, I'll have the pleasure to give a guitar workshop at the Muzikschule Lämmle, and I would like to call you, the serious amateur or professional guitarist, to come and take part in this exciting workshop. Among various topics, I will talk about how I study songs, tools for instant guitar arrangements, developing your solo, concept and motivic playing, comping others and comping yourself, reharmonization, modern guitar sound and the use of effects, polyphony, rhythmic concepts, composing, and more. See you in March.